Hare Krishna, Prabhu, Danvats. Prabhu, as Krishna is absolute, He knows everything. At the same time, Krishna has given us free will that we can choose. So, in future, there is some choice which we don't know, but what we are going to choose. But does Krishna already knows that we are going to choose this thing?
Depends what is, see, if some things are influencing, just like ordinary, I know that these are influencing him, so I can predict his free will. So Krishna is all-knowing, so therefore he can predict, but at the same time, it's not 100%. Free will is free will. Because if something is influencing me, I can refuse the influence, I can take another influence. I can choose influences, but I am influenced always. But I can choose influences. If I put my hand in the fire, my hand will burn. I can choose the influence of fire upon me. If I want to choose, if I put a hand in the water, then I will feel the coldness of the water or hotness of the water. For that I don't have any freedom, but I have freedom to choose to put a hand in the fire or in the water. So we have a free will to choose our association. Association with fire or association. Therefore you are getting, Krishna is pleased. Okay, somebody is chanting 16 rounds, somebody is not chanting 16 rounds. We say Krishna is pleased with the person who is chanting 16 rounds. What does that mean? He decided to choose association of chanting. The other person did not choose the association of the holy name. 16 rounds. Okay, only 4 rounds. 16 rounds is more. 4 rounds, more than 4 rounds. He is more pleased. Because he is taking more association. So our free will is largely, it's not absolute free will. Only Krishna is absolute free will because all energies are subordinate to him. Everything is coming from him. He is the influencer, absolute influencer. We have got free will to choose our influence. Internal energy or external energy. I want to be influenced by Maya, gone. Then you are in Maya. You have to be influenced by Krishna, then you should have continuous desire to be influenced by Krishna. Strong desire to be influenced by Krishna. Krishna will influence. He is seated in our heart. He will influence. So that much powerful we are. The living entity is that much powerful. We can create our own spiritual destiny. It is in our hands. How fast I want to make advancement. How fast? Because Krishna is ready, always with the door open. So there is a degree of absoluteness in us. That means I cause what happens to me tomorrow. At the same time, that absoluteness is limited by what you choose to be influenced by. That's why the freedom is, that's why some people are in devotion service, some people are not in devotion service. When an opportunity, not that every time, you need background sukriti and all those things, so that if it comes to you, you read, many people read Bhagavad Gita, they don't do Sarvadharman. Some do, they do Sarvadharman. But maybe after some time they get a chance and then they're ready for that. Then they get that we are all specially influenced by that Sarvadharman Parityaja. Krishna should influence us that way. It's our special blessings that we have got faith to surrender our lives to Krishna and Krishna's work, Prabhupada's work.